Good afternoon, it's Gary from IronFind.ca coming to you from Abbotsford, BC. Today I'm going to show you this 2015 Peterbilt 389 tractor. It has 617,596 kilometers and 9,507 engine hours and a Cummins ISX engine, 550 horsepower, 2050 torque. It has a Jake brake, full lockers, 18-speed Eaton Fuller transmission, RTLO 20918B. Front axle rating is 12,000 pounds in spring suspension. The rear axle rating is 40,000 pounds. On axle model DSP 4170, it does have Super 40s. On Packer air suspension, ratio is 3.73. Rubber all the way around, 11R 22.5. On aluminum rims all the way around, inside and out. Wheelbase 244 inches. Twin fuel tanks, 150 and 100 gallon. A 63-inch single sleeper with a CVI valid till February 28, 2018. It has a brand new emission system and a new engine head that has been replaced under warranty. The engine was rebuilt under warranty at 235,000 kilometers, and the warranty is valid till February 2019. I'm going to do a general walk around of the unit. We'll come up close for a tight inspection. We're going to go inside. We're going to take a look under the hood and hear the engine. We can see it has dual exhaust. It's a basic blue color. The unit is very well maintained, very clean inside on general inspection. But we're going to come up close and take a better look in just a moment. I'm going to do a complete walk around first. The unit looks really good so far. Let's get a little closer. I'm going to come right up to the grille and the bumper. In fact, I'll come up to the grille first here so I can get close onto the bumper. And no damages. It looks like new. I'm going to pan up the unit. And let's check the major sections of the truck. I'm going to start with the hood. That's looking good. Steps to the passenger side of the cab also look good, as does the cab itself. I'm going to pan over here to the sleeper. Again, a 63-inch single. Tanks look new, not a dent on them. Access looks nice and level. Of course, there's some chains covering it, but it looks like it's in good shape. Just going to come behind here. Step back between axles 2 and 3. You can look at the photos for tire wear. And it's got a 3/4 fender, so I'm going to come up behind. And I'm going to come up, show you the axles here, and we'll follow along as far as I can take you. I'm looking for any kind of leaks. I don't see anything. Everything looks good in the back of the sleeper. And the fairings are good as well, I noticed. I'm going to do the same thing here on the driver's side. Come up between axles 2 and 3, and we'll come right up to the suspension again. And let's take a look at the sleeper here. That's looking good. I'm just seeing what I think might be a little dent here. I'll get up close. Quite small. Cab looks good. The hood looks good as well. Going to take a look inside the unit. We'll just take a look at the upholstery. Peterbilt 75 anniversary. I'm not sure if this is a replacement seat or if it is original, but it's in good shape. I'm just going to cycle the engine on so we can give you a better look at the panel. And again, it's a single 63-inch sleeper, small and cozy, very clean, and lots of storage space. I'm going to start up the engine. We'll take a look under the hood. Nice clean start. And there you have it. Good piece of iron from IronFind.ca. Thanks for watching and have a great day. 604-996-5159.